You ever find yourself sitting in the Taco Bell drive-thru, tired, hungry, maybe after a long day at work, and that little voice in your head says, "It's just one meal, it won't ruin my progress." Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth, that one meal can easily pack more than 1,500 calories and more sodium than your body needs in an entire day. Still think it's just one meal? Don't worry, this isn't about giving up Taco Bell. I'm not here to crush your cravings. I'm here to show you how to order from Taco Bell like a health pro. Yep, you can actually stay on track with your goals and still enjoy that crunchy, spicy, delicious Taco Bell flavor. See, the real problem isn't Taco Bell itself, it's how we order. Most people go for those combo boxes, loaded burritos, or nacho platters that sound innocent but are secretly nutritional landmines. A 2023 study by the American Heart Association found that the average fast food combo has over 80% of your daily sodium and nearly half your daily calories. That means your quick bite might be what's draining your energy, wrecking your sleep, and throwing off your focus. But here's the good news, with just a few smart swaps, you can cut those calories in half and still walk away feeling satisfied and proud. Let's talk real-world hacks you can use today. First up, choose your base wisely. This is where most people mess up. At Taco Bell, your main choices are tacos, burritos, bowls, or salads. Here's the trick, skip the giant burritos and go for the power bowl. It's honestly one of the cleanest options on the whole menu. Order it with grilled chicken, black beans, lettuce, guacamole, and pico de gallo. Then just say no sour cream, no cheese. You'll still get that bold flavor from the salsa and guac, but you'll save hundreds of calories and a lot of unnecessary fat. Picture this, two coworkers at lunch. One orders a loaded burrito with extra cheese and a soda. The other grabs a chicken power bowl with water. Both eat Taco Bell, but one walks out feeling bloated and tired, and the other leaves satisfied and energized. Same restaurant. Two totally different outcomes. Second, here's a secret menu hack most people don't use, go fresco style. Taco Bell actually lets you swap out heavy sauces, cheese, and sour cream for fresh pico de gallo on almost any item. Just say, make it fresco. That one sentence can cut 100 to 200 calories per item, without losing any flavor. I tried this once on a road trip when I needed something fast. I ordered 2 fresco chicken tacos and a side of black beans. It was quick, tasty, and came in at under 400 calories total. Try pulling that off at another fast food joint, you probably can't. Next, don't drink your calories. I get it, that Baja Blast is calling your name. But that one drink? It's got nearly 60 grams of sugar. That's like eating 12 teaspoons of sugar in a few minutes. Instead, grab water, a diet soda, or unsweetened iced tea. Your body, and your mood, will thank you later. And if you still want some flavor, ask for a lime wedge or a sugar-free flavor shot if they've got one. Tiny tweaks like that seem small, but over time, they make a huge difference. Fourth, let's talk portion control. Taco Bell is famous for piling it on, the chalupa box, the crunch wrap combo, the nacho platters. But here's the truth, you don't need all that to feel satisfied. Try ordering a la carte. Pick one main item and one side. For example, one chicken soft taco and a side of black beans. You still get the flavor, the crunch, the satisfaction, but without that heavy post-meal crash. Most people overeat simply because the combo comes with it. But you're not saving money if it's costing you energy, focus, and long-term health. You're just paying for it later, at the gym or at the doctor's office. Now, let's bust a huge myth, fast food can't be healthy. False. Fast food can fit into a healthy lifestyle, it's all about balance and awareness. The myth comes from thinking that healthy means boring or restrictive. But in reality, it's about control and knowledge. When you understand the menu, you take back power. You can enjoy what you love, without guilt. And here's a pro tip, Taco Bell has a nutrition calculator on their website. Spend 1 minute checking your favorite order. You'll be amazed how tiny tweaks, like removing sour cream or adding lettuce, can totally transform the numbers. Alright, let's wrap it up with your 3 key takeaways. Number 1, pick your base wisely. Choose bowls or soft tacos over burritos or combo boxes. Number 2, use fresco style, it's your secret weapon for flavor without the fat. Number 3, watch your drinks and sides. Skip soda, add black beans or veggies instead of chips. Follow just these 3 steps and you'll cut hundreds of calories, sodium, and still enjoy your favorite fast food fix. Because let's be honest, you're not going to meal prep perfectly every week. You're going to have late nights, road trips, and those, I just need food now, moments. But here's what separates people who stay healthy from those who give up, it's not perfection. It's making smart choices in imperfect moments. That's how real progress happens. So next time you're in that drive-thru, instead of feeling guilty, you'll feel empowered. You'll know exactly how to order like someone who values their body, but still loves a good taco. Now I want to hear from you, what's your go-to fast food order when you're trying to stay on track? Drop it in the comments below, your idea might help someone else make a better choice, too. And hey, if you found these Taco Bell hacks helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community of everyday people learning to eat smarter, live better, and feel unstoppable. Because your health journey doesn't just happen in the gym, it happens everywhere, even in the drive-thru.